Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking another look at the beige PowerMac Performa 6116 CD. As I talked about in my previous video, this is a consumer variant of the 6100 series of Power Macintoshes. It was meant for consumers and sold with a bundle of software and a modem. Typically, computers in the 6100 line of PowerMacs only shipped with 8 megabytes of RAM, as did this one, which is quite a limitation. It makes it pretty hard to run anything except the most basic of applications. So today, I want to upgrade that RAM so we can do a bit more. I attempted to play Dark Forces on this computer stock, and that didn't go so well. Fortunately, there's just not enough RAM to run it. And if I enable virtual memory, performance is terrible, as you can see now. In order to make Dark Forces playable, we need to upgrade the RAM. So let's open it up and add in the RAM sticks. So here we have the two RAM slots that the computer has, and to upgrade these you actually need to populate both with a RAM stick. If you do just one, the computer will just ignore it, and they have to be the same size, so you need 2 and 2, 4, 4, 8, 8, 16, 16, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add two 32 megabyte sticks, and that'll give us 64 megabytes of expanded memory plus the 8 that's already on the board for a total of 72 megabytes of RAM, which should be enough for Dark Forces. Alright, so we'll just install these in here. Nice simple RAM upgrade. And that's it. We're done. Well, let's go see what we have in the system. Alright, we're all booted up into System 7 here with our RAM installed, so let's see what we got. And there we have it. 69 megabytes of unused memory. System's using 4. So we should be good to finally play Dark Forces. So let's try it. Here we go. Oh, that is so much better from when it was on virtual memory. Just looks like it's going to be a few seconds versus like 2 minutes. And we're in game. Very nice. Perfectly playable. Very nice. So, as you can see, everything works pretty good. 72 megabytes is definitely doing us a favor here. And so yeah, we are good to go here. If I do enable high resolution mode, where it's running at 640 by 480, I believe, there is a much more noticeable slowdown, but this is because the PowerMac does not have any video memory. It just shares, I think, 640 kilobytes with the system RAM. So not the most smoothest gameplay experience. If that's what you're going for, you'd have to lower the resolution or add video memory, which is a possibility on this computer and something we'll explore in the future. But for now, we have a wonderful working copy of Dark Forces. As you can see, we definitely had to do the RAM upgrade to make Dark Forces playable for us. So if you had bought this computer stock at the time, you would have had to shell out a bit more money to really play any games or do any other programs besides just the basic things that came with it. So as we've seen, doing a small RAM upgrade has definitely helped the performance of this machine out from its stock configuration. But what if you're not a gamer? What if Dark Forces just isn't what interests you? Instead, you bought this computer because you needed to do some productivity kind of work. What if you wanted to run Adobe Photoshop? How would that work running stock? And would you need to upgrade to even do that? So we're going to take a look at that in the next video, so I hope you guys stick around, and thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.